Assalamu alaikum and welcome to you all. And my name is Nurusana and I will present today. My topic is, it's all about us, team building. We all are? What we all are? Team. Says, yes, so from today we will call us a team. We are a team, family, of course, we call our middle section family and then convert to the team. There is an activity. I will show you the baby picture of your team members, of your colleagues. You need to find out, but the only team answer to whom I call, because the person may be there to whom the picture is showing. Rest of the team will count till 3, till the team guess, and then they will give the one answer. Is it clear? Fine. So should we start? Be active. The first task for the team E. For the team, you should know about your team. Who is team A? Team B? Team B, Team C, Team D and Team E. That's it. Okay, the first picture is? Let's recognize your colleague. Team E, yes. Very good. Yes. Miss Khalda, can you please come here? हम देखें इस जमाने ने क्या सितम किया आप पे कि आप ये कैसे क्या होगी. Miss Khalda, keep sitting please. Yes, Miss Khalda. Miss Khalda told me the history where she was at that time. Yes, Miss Khalda, please. Where you have? Yeah. Thank you, Ms. Kalda. Next task is for Team B. Team B, okay? Only Team B will answer. Team B, count till 3. 3, 2, 1. Yes, any guess? Very good, Miss Sana. Very good. Very good. Yes, Miss Sana was holding the flower in her hand. I added it and keep it to their eyes so that it will be difficult for one. No, I was joking. She gave me this actual picture. Team C. Next task is for you. Who is she? Team C. Count till 3. 3, 2. Because she was laughing. That's it. Very good. Who is he? It's task for Team D. Team D. Team D. Very good. Okay, next task is for Team A. Team A.
Team A is?
No.
Who is he? Miss Yasmin.
Very good, Miss Yasmin. Again for the Team A. Okay.
Mr. Sultan.
Yeah. This is Mr. Sultan. And next for Team B. Team B. Okay. Team B, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Who is he? Yes, Mr. Ijaz. This is Mr. Ijaz. Okay, again it's a task for Team A. Very easy. Yes. Yes, it's very easy. Don't you want to call Mr. Shabazz over here?
ये तो ज़ियाद है।
Team C, next task is for you.
Mr. Umar!
Team E, where is Team E? Okay, get ready for the next task. 3, 2, 1. No, it's Miss. Any guess? No, Miss Adila. Miss Adila, can you please come over here? And please pose the same. Yes, pose the same. Yes, please. Fine, next task is for, it's an open question, fine, everyone can answer.
Mr. Dishant.
Any other guess? Mr. Dishan, it's Mr. Dishan. Team A, it's for you now. Mr. Mirza. Okay. Next is for Team D. Team D, who is she? Team D, it was for Team D, yes. Okay. Team B. Three, two, one. Yes, who is she? This is she, by the way. Who is she? The last one, and I can say easier. Who is it? Mr. Adnan? Mr. Adnan, please. Mr. Adnan, come here and pose the same. Please, for us. Yes, the same pose. One. Mask.
ऐसे हाथ पीछे
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So this is me. I am the last one, of course. You people can guess it. This is me. Okay, team. Thank you so much for sending me this picture, because without this picture I could not held this activity. It shows that we are working as a team. We are focusing for each other seminars. I asked for the male staff, for the female staff, and everybody responded me so well. Thank you so much, and this is really this is appreciable from your side. Because it really proved that we're working as a team and we care for each other seminars as well, each other presentations as well, everybody helping each other, and it's really considerable. Okay, so coming to the main idea, what is team? Basically my topic is team building. So I will not talk about what is team, how to make a team and everything. We will discuss only one topic, that is team building. How to improve to be a part of a team, and how to improve a team where we are. Fortunately or unfortunately, we can choose the institution, organization, but we cannot choose our team. We have to be there where we are. For example, if I been selected in this school as a teacher, so I have to work with you people, and you people have to work with me ultimately. So it's mean that we cannot choose the team, but we can choose the attitude, we can choose the behavior, that how we can be with those people. You people are owning me because as a colleague, and I am as a team member of you, is owning to you people. So this is a corresponding, but we are doing each other. So today main thing is we talk about the team building. If you have any idea, if you want to add anything, you people are most welcome. You can add it there, because we will make the whole thing together. This is the team is basically a number of persons associated together. I am not saying they are not combined. They are not group mean that when you combine some people as today we have done. But association is something different. When we call it family, when we call it that we are caring about each other, emotions, we are considering those people. This is all is called as a team. So team is different than the group. Team building basically, yes please you can all read. The process of working to achieve it, and into a real team is team building. Working with the strategy is important because as a team when we people are working together, so there can be a different ideas, there can be a different, because we belong to the different personalities, we have different capacities, different values, different ideas. So when there are a lot of ideas, not even a single idea can work out for us. So we need a strategy to work it out. That's why every time we have a team leader with us to just show the path, show the strategy. But the team worker, team leader is also the part of the team where we are working. Is it clear? Do you agree that? Fine. The next one is, these are the key roles in team building. Motivation. How the motivation build the team. Yes, Miss Nadia.
It encourages the people.
Exactly.
To work
Yes.
together. So if you are in a team, you need to motivate every member of your team so that you can get the.
You should motivate. Unity and diversity. Yes, from team D. What is your idea? What is the meaning of diversity and then unity? How we can unite that diversity?
By giving them simple tasks for the members.
Okay.
All the team members have different personalities.
Very good.
Way of thinking, different
Exactly.
thoughts, but still that person has to stay united.
Exactly, for the single strategy, for the single purpose, for the single goal. Yes, the next one, team C, can you please elaborate broader perspective? What does it mean? How in a team it will work for us? Exactly. Not for the problems what we are having. Look what we will get in that day. Definitely we as a team we will go there. We will help that. Yes, goal orientation. Yes, team A.
We are having the same goal.
Same goal. Exactly.
Target are the same. We go to one by one.
And the target should not be personal. It should be the collective, what we all get, what will the school get, what will the institution get. That will be the perspective what we should follow. Yes, the last one, determination. Yes, Mr. Team B, any one of you?
To determine something, we focus on something and as a team determination, we should effort as a combined. No matter what happens, we remain.
We should just stay united. Yes, because there are many, as we're talking about that, abilities are different. So the person who is not doing perfect in that particular situation, we need to take that out with us and keep on going with the journey. So that was the thing about the team building people have discussed. So how to establish the objective together? There is an objective, there is a goal. How to establish that as a team? If we talk about it is promote team responsibility, keep on promoting, you are responsible for this. But if we are saying that you particularly are responsible for this, it doesn't mean that by the end of that task, if that person is not fulfilling that task, he is not only the person we should blame. As a team, if a person or team worker is working with us and he is not doing work, so what is the part of us? We should go there. We should, if there is a 10 days tenure for the whole task and there is a task after 10 days, so why on the 10th day we start blaming that person and pointing it out instead of from the day first? So we should start taking the responsibility with the person, with the team from the day first. We should talk about, if we are in the staff room, we should ask about, okay, are you doing that work? Is there a task? Or keep on reminding each other, keep on asking each other, so that if someone is lacking behind, she can ask for her or she or he, anyone. So this is how the team building or the help should start from the day one. It should not be for the last day only. तुमने किया ही नहीं. This is what. Instead of that, we should go for the broader vision. Focus on contribution, that how your contribution, just focus first of all. It is not like that you have not done your task and you keep on asking from, तुमने नहीं किया, have not you done, why not you done? First, give your full 100% input and then proceed for the helping to the other people. Maybe you also get the idea while helping the other. So this is give and take. Develop a participatory role. participate. This is every time if there is an activity, as we all are participating, and that's why we are achieving the goals of this activity, what we are doing. So basically we need to participate. If you people stay quiet and do not participate, definitely it will not work at all. So we have to work collectively. This is the story we know from the very start. So one by one we will complete the story. Yes, Mr. Kamil, what happened? What was the story? One day, what happened one day? And just from your side, you can make the line.
इसमें जो रैबिट है दोनों की आपस में रेस होती है तो वो मतलब उसको कह रहा होता है कि मैं ज़्यादा देर नहीं जाऊँगा
Exactly.
तो एक दिन की रेस होती है तो
ठीक है, होगी रेस. यस, फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ? टीम सी, व्हाट हैपेंड नेक्स्ट? रेस हो रही है. व्हाट? नहीं, जस्ट अबाउट द ट्रेडिशनल स्टोरी व्हाट वी हैड, द सेम वन.
The rabbit left that उसने बहुत ज़्यादा distance cover कर दिया. After that he left that the tortoise is far behind.
Exactly. Very good. So what about the rabbit? Rabbit was,
it was walking
Daydreamer.
and he was overconfident ना. I have no issue with it. मतलब मसला ही नहीं. I will do it. एक दिन में कर लूँगा. So this is how. So he became the undisputed winner because he. So we know the moral. What is the moral? When they woke up, he was depending on the thing, and that's it. Okay. The moral of the story? Yes, slow and steady win the race. Do you believe that? Do you believe that? Even in our net gen, do you believe that slow and steady? It should be slow. Why not be fast and steady? Okay, story continue. Because it's been so long, the hare been victimized for losing this race and from his generations. So he wanted to overcome this. So what he will do? He will make a strategy where I made the mistake. We all do mistakes. After doing the mistake, what we need to do, we should not stop. We should make a strategy. So what he made the strategy, because he knew that he was overconfident and he was careless. That's why the ordinary tortoise won from him. This is the third thing he is considering him, that he is a more superior than the other one. This is the again 3, you keep in mind. So again he making the strategy, go and ask challenge for the another race. What would happen now? This time the hare is fully prepared and the tortoise do not know the intention. So what?
Again he lost the race.
How?
He will lose because he
Because-
still has that overconfidence.
because-
No, he
because
won
he-
the race. He won the race.
He also worked together. He built a team. They together tied up this rabbit.
Mr. Ijaz have broadened the very much. Mr. Ijaz has broadened his vision very much. So sort of minimize it. Please zoom out. This time the hare went all out and ran without stopping and won by several miles because he didn't know the strategy what he was thinking about, and ultimately he need to be run because he was the fastest one. Moral of the story? Don't be overconfident. Fast and consistent will always best than slow and steady. What Miss Adila was saying, net gen, I really inspired by that word. So we should be in that one. Why should we not follow them?
Initially it was slow and steady wins the race, now fast and consistent.
Yes, it is a. So should now what? Whose turn is this to get to the improvement? Tortoise. So what he will think?
Who was the thing?
No. But the story doesn't end here. Fine. So what we call the tortoise, because he is a hard worker. Fine. So we can name him as a consistent person. So if we are taking the moral out that the consistent and speedy can work, so should he work on his speed? But he could not because naturally he cannot. Fine. So how he can win the hare? He will think again. He is building the strategy. So problem is coming when he is not discussing the problem with anyone. He don't have any team, don't have any partner. He can discuss with other turtles as well. No? So why not he is going in? So this is his problem, by the way. So he is asking for him for another race. He has changed the whole route. But again the problem is here. Again, what rabbit is doing? He is not. He is
confident.
overconfident. Exactly. Very good, Miss Basla. He is not asking for the route. He didn't even bother to see the route because he is confident he will win the race this time. He was soega nahi and he will definitely go to the destination. Till now you are getting the point? Fine. Okay, so this is the route. There is a route, there is a river crossed by, and rabbit here cannot cross that, and turtle can simply swim that, and he reached to the goal point. That's and so who win this time? Tortoise. Fine, he finished it. So they sat there wondering what to do. Who is thinking? Rabbit. Now the rabbit is thinking because it's his time to finish this thing. So what do you think? What he should conclude? What he should conclude?
Before every you need to think, you need to plan, and you need to work.
Very good. Before accepting a challenge, before accepting something, you should ask a proper question from, if somebody a task is given to you as a team, you should ask each and everything from, because there should be no loophole in the time of the end when the time is running out. So he will do the same thing again. So first of all, let's conclude it right now, and the moral of the story up till now is that, please read all of you. First, identify your core competency and then change the playing field. Core competency. If he saw the route before, definitely he could change something in it, but he didn't. Fine, because he was again overconfident, oversmart that. But the story still has not ended yet. This time, so the hare and the tortoise, yes. So the hare, they became pretty good friends, because at this point they got to know that if they both are going or rivaling each other, competing each other, that they will not compete or go to that goal. So that's why they made They made a team. Now they will work as a team. So they will follow the same route and they will run as a team, and they both are, because both components should agree on the same point, because to be playing as a team. This time until here the rabbit carry tortoise here, then it will in the next you can see the tortoise is helping him, and in the next they reach the goal together. Is it? Fine. And now what they have the feeling of greater sense of satisfaction, because they both are winning without competing it. So we can win in our life without competing each other. Is it clear? This is the main point. As a team, even if we are working as a team, we can win even without competing each other. If we are winning as a team, so we are having. So there are some moral. So yes, who will read this? Anyone? Yes, Ms. Ikra, can you please?
It's good to be individual brilliant and to have strong core competencies, but unless you are able to work in a team and
harness each other's
core competencies, you will always perform
below the bar,
because there will always be situations at which you will do
poorly.
and someone else will do well.
Do you agree that? Yes. Because we are all different people, so we should team up to work together. It's a team task now. Let me tell you the instruction clearly. There are 6 cups, and inside the cup there is a thread which is bound by a rubber band. Okay, so let me show you the video. What you need to do, this is how you are not supposed to touch your hand to the glass. You are just, by the helping of this string, you need to hold the cup and you need to make a structure. I will show the structure, and the team who make it in a first time, only this one. This is the rule. Clear your desk so that you can make it. I reinforce. You need to make this structure. 1, 2, 3, start. No, this is wrong. Make it again. 3, 2, and 1. Don't touch the glasses. Do not touch the glasses. Yes. Mr. Zishan, don't touch the glass. I have an extra thread if you want. It's almost. Your team sees winner. They won the team. They won the winner. Everyone look there. was the winner team? Very good. Team C is winner. Team C is winner.
Oh, very nice.
Thank you.
Very good. Team C, it's your prize. No, there is no second, there is only first. Clapping. Okay. Okay, so I was talking about the idea was when the three people work together, they won the game. I have another game to check their individual abilities. Either they can do it or not, and we will check that who was working, because some are slow, some are doing consistently. So let's see. So there is another task. Three of you, please, winner team, please come here. Miss Ikra, pakadega zara. Okay. From there. There is a basket and there are some supplies in it. They are not supposed to touch the glass. They will use these, Miss Ikra, they will use these supplies and they need to transfer these cups there. Miss Basla, can you please sit there? Stand there. These are some supplies. They need to, without using their hand, by using these supplies, they need to pick a cup and place it over there. When you touch the glass, it will be you people will be disqualified. It's an individual task. Miss Basla will place the cup on 1 and 2 and 3, and you people have, yes, you will place on 3, Mr. Ijaz on 2, and Miss Basla, you are on number 1. The more you cup will place, the more you will win. But not use your hand, you need to use these supplies. And your time starts now. Can somebody please take the time? Miss Nadia, please, for the 1 minute. Yes, any strategy you can use. Miss Basla आप उठा लें, Miss Basla उठा लें कब? Very good. So who is the winner this time?
Thank you. Finally.
Yes, sir.
Miss Nadia सुबह से लगा रही थी
मैं सुबह से देख रही थी स्टार्टिंग में कॉल लेकर।
We have learned one
People
thing.
have learned from this activity. What was Mr. Ijaz doing? Okay, not Mr. Ijaz. What was the second member doing?
I was waiting.
Did he get the idea by himself? Did he get the idea to do the activity by himself? So at least he is copying. He is not just standing and waiting for the other people to do. This is the one thing, at least he is doing good. Is it? Yes. Because he is not stopping to work. And in the end, when he find that he could not win that ultimately, so he start throwing the things out to make the clutter for the people. This is a strategy as well. This is the winning strategy as well. If you are not going to that place, make the difficult path for the other person as well, is it? He is using that one. कि वो in Punjabi वो say कि ना खेलेंगे और ना खेलने देंगे, तो ये he was doing the same. But even then Miss Sana managed to do so, and very good Miss Sana, you have done.
वही तो गुल खिलाया।
Okay. So from today we will be building a stronger team. How? Because with all these efforts, but we are think the part of the main purpose of doing these two activities consecutively is to show when we are connected, it will help us as well. We are being sheltered by the many other people who know work better than us, and it would be beneficial for us ultimately and for them as well. And that's why they are people of different competencies, they are people of different abilities, they think differently. Someone can do better in speed, someone can do better in thinking, someone can do better in laughing even. So even then they are going together. This is what we need to do. We need to stay together. The last things what I am including for you, and the next you people will to do. Team building, basically, we need to groom one's personality. We need to struggle. We need to groom every day. You should feel yourself by yourself, or maybe someone else tell you that you are grooming. It means that you are going on a right track. If you are on the same traditional way, doing the same thing, it means you are not grooming yourself. Broaden the vision. If you broaden the vision means accepting the other, accepting the mistakes of other. That is basically called broaden the vision. If you in a daily life we give ourselves a very huge margin for doing the mistake, ये गलती से हो गया, but we are not giving this margin to other person, to the team member, to the family member. So from today inshallah we will try to do this, we will try to practice this. We will give the margin. हो गया, it's all right, let's mend it together. If there is a damage, we need to mend it. Feeling of we flourish. If one of us stop doing work for the middle section, is middle section flourish? No. We need to do work. We need to do work collectively. When we all will do, then the result of the student will be the better or the good one. Otherwise, if I stop working and you people all doing effort, it will be of no use. So if I am not doing work, you should need to give motivation to me. If I need help, you should help to me. Helping doesn't mean that if I'm asking that I could not do this one to make the PPT for me, take the lesson of me. It's mean that you need to, at least you can provide me a raw material. You can tell me something. Oh, okay, fine, you cannot do anything for me. At least a motivational sentence, it's all right, you can do it. I have done, once there was a problem from your storytelling, you can tell me. So you can keep on motivating your people around you. Developing trust, the co-worker. Trust is mean if you are asking something from someone, from your senior or from your junior, it really doesn't mean that you are lacking in your competency and you do not know that thing. If you are asking from your senior or from any person besides you, it means that you are just taking a second suggestion. So first of all, we should stop this as well. If somebody is asking from someone, we should not judge that person that either he is a competent to be in this school, how he can get the job, how he can get the degree, if he didn't know that. This petty issues. So these petty issues we should overcome, and moving toward the higher one. We should work as a team, as a we. If there is in our family, if there is a problem, somebody is not getting the idea, we act differently. But in a team, we should act as a family. If we call ourselves associated as a family, so it means we should behave with each other as a family as well. Sense of responsibility develop instead of blaming. This is what I told you. If something went wrong, do not blame the person, mend the situation. Go for the mending that damage what has been done by your team worker. Yes, for that mistake we should tell the person, because it is really important to make him overcome that mistakes and over that irresponsible behavior. But the need of that time is to stop blaming and start mending that issue what is being done there. So you already we have talking about this the last slide. I have some points over here. I want you to tell me that what are they basically about, one by one. We will start from here, team A. Yes, Ms. Ikra, keeping the peace, what does it mean in a team building?
Means if we are having the same goal, then we need to help each other without blaming each other, and there should be like a friendship, friendly.
Peace, exactly. That's why we can make a peace.
We cannot work in a team.
But we can keep the professionalism as well, with the friendship as well, because excess of friendship can also spoil the co-worker as well, because then you are helping the same person only, you will not help the all. If you are having a sense of teaming, then you can help the all equally. Yes, the next one, friendly, Miss Yasmin.
मतलब कि अपनी टीम के साथ जॉन सा जिसके साथ आप काम कर रहे हैं उसके साथ आपका बिहेवियर जॉन सा है फ्रेंडली होना
सबके साथ, with everyone, not with single one. Yes. Yes, Mr. Khurshid. The next one is
Presence when
you look at the other members, if they are doing work, so definitely you will also get the spirit that they are doing.
Exactly. And if they are doing something wrong, you are going to tell them. You are going to help them. Fine. There are some other points. Yes, Mr. Mirza, please. Feedback. How we can get the feedback for the team building?
Output of your team.
Very good. This is what, if we are getting a positive one, we will feel. And what if we are getting the negative feedback from the team?
Don't discard.
Very good. Keep on doing the work. Yes, Mr. Shahbaz,
Taking inspection, you can suggestion from other team members.
Exactly.
Idea how they can work in this way and this is the way to do that in this way.
Exactly. At least you should take idea from the other member. Either you follow that or not, because you know that as a, for example, if you talk about the mentors or the coordinators, you people know that it's better that how to apply that. We do know that what are your boundaries and so on. But if you are asking a suggestion from someone, it doesn't mean that you supposed to follow that. It's just you are giving a privilege or respect to the other your team members. Yes, Mr. Ijaz, initiative for the team building.
Whenever you feel that something going wrong, instead of waiting that
Exactly.
other should solve this issue, it's his or her task, take initiative and do by yourself, or at least remind her.
This is important. Reminding the person is important as well.
Yeah, you're doing, that's another thing.
Yes.
Maybe you're spoiling someone's.
Exactly.
Okay, so inform him or her that here you are lagging behind and here we can improve.
Helping someone with the raw material. If you are giving him a proper prepared dish, it means you are stopping its growth. You are stopping its growing towards the further. Yes, Ms. Basla, please. Solving problems.
As a team, everyone has different ways, and somehow we come across different problems by doing the work.
Exactly.
So try to solve them
By discussing and
Yes,
everything.
second.
Yes, Miss Sana, appropriate humor. This is suits to you, by the way. It has come to you. Yes. If it would be the same seminar, the formal seminar, we would not enjoy that. We are having a chit chat here. We are having some appropriate humors here. So it creates a, yes. Yes, seeking approval. Yes, Mr. Zishan, why in team building seeking approval is important. If I want to go to a junior section, why should I ask from you? What is your idea? He will tell. Why, sir? Yes, why? Because he know his boundary. Now, I do not know that. This is very easy for me. Let me explain. Let me explain. It's very easy for me to go and cross there, but he know that. Why should not I go there? What would be if I would be here? So what are my responsibilities to do and everything? So according to that, he will tell.
Well, teams cannot flourish without a leader.
Exactly. Very good.
So, nowhere you can flourish without having a leader. Even in Islam, you are asked if there are 2 or 3 people traveling somewhere, there should be 1 leader. So, one same head is always important for managing the affairs.
Then the multiply
Now,
ideas.
there are certain boundaries, as you have rightly pointed out, that should not be crossed by.
Exactly. And you only do that.
Rules, there is constitution, there are certain regulations that we need to follow. So, only by following those regulations, that team can flourish in the
Exactly.
right direction.
Discipline. It should be in a disciplined way.
So, for that purpose, you need to see.
Thank you so much, sir. The last one, encouraging others. Yes, Mr. Umar Jamal. Have you ever encouraged any of your colleague?
Yes, alhamdulillah, I'm staying most of what many students are here over there. So every time I have to encourage them about
Exactly. Because they are far from their families and their villages.
again, it's a positive gesture for everyone and like a bottle of blood for others.
Exactly, very good. But we need it every time. Thank you so much, you all. This is a very good time with you all people. And thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Excellent.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.